Hello Tech Explorers! Today, I'm going to show you how to make the LEDs on the maker board mimic the flickering lights of fireflies. First, let's add a my program block to initialize our program. Then create a variable named j and set its value to 0. Next, add an infinite loop block so the LEDs on the maker board continuously mimic the lights of fireflies. Then, insert a finite loop block that starts the LED brightness at 0 and gradually increases it with each cycle of the loop, which lasts 0.1 seconds, until it reaches a maximum brightness of 100. After that, add another finite loop block to slowly dim the brightness of the LEDs from the maximum of 100 back down to 0, with each cycle lasting 0.1 seconds. Our program is complete. We can now test it on our maker board.